My advice would be, Mr. Sanchez, if you can set your camera down and sit still, that way we don't get seasick watching you.
Okay, let me go to my break room and I'll be up here.
All right. Just anywhere where you can just hold everything still.
Yeah, I'm going right now.
Great.
Anybody have a radio on or something?
It's my son's TV in the background. I'm sorry.
All right, can you get him to turn it down a little bit?
Yes, my mom's working on it right now.
All right. All right, this is call number 2020-08884 in the interest of Matthew and Mason Sanchez. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Allison Huerta. I'm the mother of Mason Sanchez and Matthew Sanchez Jr.
All right, and representing the mother, counsel?
John McDermott, Judge, I also have a motion to withdraw and file.
All right. Sir, your name and your relationship to the child?
Matthew Sanchez. I am the biological father of Matthew Sanchez and Mason Ray Sanchez.
All right, and representing Mr. Sanchez?
Your Honor, Kelly Joseph, I represent Matthews.
All right, and representing the state?
Andrea Perard.
What are we doing today, Ms. Perard?
Your Honor, the state has filed an original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an AOP. This was filed on February 7th of 2020, so it is getting quite old. We are here for trial at this current moment. Mr. McDermott has filed a motion to withdraw. The parties were ordered to mediate back on September 22nd of 2020, and that still has not occurred. So we are before the court on the Mr. McDermott's motion to withdraw, and then if that is so granted, a possible reset to allow the mother, father, and his attorney to participate in mediation.
Okay, Kelly Joseph.
Yes.
And it looks like there's a motion to withdraw from both attorneys.
Yeah, we're going to pass on ours. We're not going forward on this.
Okay. Mr. McDermott, you have a motion to withdraw?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to present it?
Judge, I filed my motion to withdraw because my client has not paid me, even though I believe she has the resources to do so. So I think she's lost interest in cooperating with the case. Basically, the last conversation we had was she said, I don't have the funds to pay you, which I don't see how. It's been around for months. But, in any event, I would rest on that. If she has an objection or something, perhaps you need further testimony. I have not heard from her. She has not called me. It's the filing of the motion to withdraw. I'd ask you to grant the motion to withdraw.
Ms. Huerta, you agree with this motion to withdraw? Are you in agreement with it?
Yes, because at the moment I don't have the funds or resources to pay for him right now.
All right. right, then that motion is granted and John McDermott is released as attorney for the mother.
Can I leave the meeting,
Oh.
Judge?
Yes,
May I leave the meeting? Thank you, Judge. See y'all.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Joseph, you're not proceeding with your motion, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. We're trying to get to mediation. If you could order us to be at mediation by a date certain, I think we'll be able to get to the DRO and get mediation, hopefully resolve this case and get it off the court's docket.
Ms. Farrar, do you have anything to add?
No, Your Honor, I would just ask that on the record that Ms. Huerta be informed that now she is pro se and that she needs to cooperate with the scheduling for the DRO mediation. And then to let all parties know that if mediation is not completed by the next court date, we will be proceeding. I can do there is already a DRO mediation order. I can do another one that has a specific date in there at Mr. Joseph's request. We just have done always the one that has been provided by the DRO.
Your Honor, if we could get address, phone number, and email for Mrs. Huerta too, so that we can communicate with her.
And I will just tell the court, Your Honor, we do have this case as flagged family violence. Therefore, we cannot provide any information regarding, and we cannot force Ms. Huerta to. If she would like to provide that on the record, or if the court requires it, or at the very least an email address.
Well, Ms. Huerta, can you provide your address, or you wish to keep it confidential?
My email address is AlisonHuerta04@gmail.com.
All right. All right, what would be the reset date then, Ms. Perard?
Your Honor, we were looking at July 13th to allow a little bit more time to participate in mediation.
Is that the date convenient for you, Mr. Joseph?
Yes, Your Honor, that'll be fine.
Ms. Huerta, is that a problem for you?
No, it's not a problem.
All right, then the DRO mediation is ordered and the case is reset to July 13th, 2021. Will not, there will be no further continuances no matter what on that date.
Your Honor, is there a date you would like for me to put in the DRO mediation order, a date certain that mediation needs to be completed by?
Well,
or just by the 13th?
I think May 30th or May 15th or something like that, or
let's go, must be completed by, what? Let's see, today we're the 14th of May. 6 weeks would be 6 weeks down the road will be fine.
And then Mr. Joseph, if I could get your email address, I will send all of this to you and Ms. Huerta.
Kelly, K-E-L-L-Y, at KellyJosephLaw.com.
Okay.
All right, anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. I believe that's it.
All right, Ms. Huerta, you need to appear at the mediation and see if you can't settle this matter. That's the purpose of mediation. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but you'll have somebody there conducting the mediation, and perhaps this matter can be settled. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.